In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product slider in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, and this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to head over to the right hand side of the page here, where the tools section is. Then I want you to go all the way down and you will find the slider button. I want you to click on that, and that will then take you to the slider widgets page. From here, I want you to head over to create widget for free, and that will take you down to the slider template section. Now in that case, since we want to create a product slider, what you want to do is head over for this particular template right here. It looks super nice and clean, and bear in mind you can actually customize these templates completely to your liking. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But you also don't need to go for this particular template if you don't want to. It's just pre-designed to be about products. You can always go for maybe the store offers one right here, and then just make the necessary customizations to tailor it to your needs. But in my case, I'm going to go for this one because it looks the best. So from here, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you'll be taken to the section where you can start customizing your product slider to your liking. The first thing you want to do is add all the relevant slides to the widget. So at the moment we have 4 different ones for all the 4 products that are on display in this particular template. As you can see, I have a speaker here and a bunch of other ones. You can go ahead and delete these by clicking on the 3 dots and then click on delete. You can also go ahead and edit them. So click on edit here, for example, and then here is the actual image. So this is the background here. Then you have a video here if you want to as well that you can add as a background. You can also add a link. That's optional, and then the content itself. So you can have the text to the left, the text to the right like this, text in the center without the image, and then text at the bottom with the product on the top here. Then you also have title, text, button, media, which is the image here, which is the shoe. This is a PNG, by the way, so that way you can only see the shoe, and then it gets positioned basically whatever you choose here in terms of layout. In my case, I'm going to stick with the text left. As you can see, there's loads of different customizations you can take advantage of here. I'm not going to go for every single one. It's all very, very self-explanatory, so I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your product slider, all you have to do is go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your product slider widget will be saved up, and then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we need to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button right here. In my case, it's grayed out, as you can see, because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding, so if that's too much of a bother for you, you can always go for one of the premium plans right here, which are all 100% ad free. As you can see, there's quite a few different options that you can choose from, and each of them have quite a lot of different functionalities that you also get to unlocked as you go for the different premium plans. Even the basic plan right here allows you to have up to 3 widgets for up to 5,000 views per month, compared to the free plans, 200 views and 1 widget. And also, if you do decide to subscribe to the plan that you choose annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your product slider widget. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and go to the page where you want to add your product slider to. In my case, I want it on my home page right here, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and add a brand new section right here, which is where I want my product slider to be. So once you've added a new section, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the search button right here. Then I want you to search for HTML, and then underneath add to site here, you will see this embeds button. Click on it, and then on the left hand side, you will see a new window open up. From here, underneath popular embeds, click on embed HTML, and what that's going to do is add this HTML block to your Wix website. From here, make sure that this here is set to code, and then paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight. Click on update, and then give it a couple of seconds, and then you'll see your product slider right here. All you have to do now is go ahead and resize it accordingly. And then let's take a look at what it looks like once we actually preview it. And there you have it. Here is my product slider on my Wix website. Obviously, make sure you do a better job with resizing it than me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. That's how you add it. It's super easy and it looks very nice and clean. This down here is the little elf side branding that I talked about that you will get with the free plan. So if that's bothering you too much, then you can obviously just go for one of the premium plans and then it will automatically be deleted. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a product slider in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.